Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to be going over how to use storyboards in Xcode to create a application. So what you're going to want to do is create a new Xcode project. Alright, let's make it a single view application. Next. Okay, we're going to name it Storyboard Practice. Make sure you click Use Storyboards and use automatic reference counting for this. And you can create the file wherever you want. I'm going to put mine on the desktop. I have one there, so I have to replace it. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so when it finally loads, go to your main storyboard.storyboard. Okay, and this is going to be your first view controller. So what you're going to want to do is slide down until you see label. Just drag and drop a label here. Okay, let's make it larger. I like to snap it to the guides, but you don't have to. You can do whatever you want. However you want to make your application look is what you got to do. So I'm going to make this say first page. Let's drop in the center here. Let's change the text color to green. Okay, and let's change the background color of this whole page. You go here, and let's change it to blue. Alright, now we're going to drag and drop a round rectangular button. Let's make it larger. Doesn't have to be perfect. And let's say push me. Right? Now let's go up here. Click on View Controller. Okay, drag and drop the View Controller. We can zoom out a bit so we can get both these view controllers in the picture. Alright. Alright, back up. Back it up. Come on. Zoom out. Okay, now it's just being ridiculous, but whatever. What? Okay. There we go. Alright, so what you're going to want to do now is place another rectangular button. Let's change the background. And I'm not going to put a label on this one because you guys know how to do that already. And here we're just going to put like back. Back. Now, you know, let's put in a third one. Let's go in here, change this from saying back to next. Next. Alright, now scroll up on your object sheet. Let's find view controller. Sorry this is so laggy, it's because I'm running the screen recording thing at the same time. Alright, pull this up. Now let's drop another rectangular button. Let's put next here again. And then let's change the background. Alright, now we can get into the navigation stuff. This part is when storyboarding comes in handy. It's very, very easy to view all of your view controllers at the same time using storyboarding, and it's easy to connect them. So let's say I want this button when it's pushed to pull up this view controller. What I do is I hold Control and I click on the button. What? Yeah, Control, click, and it should pull up this thing right here. Okay. And you drag and drop it to this view controller, and you click Modal. And you can see there's a little link between the two, and you now linked this to that with that button. Pretty cool. Now we go to this page. Boom. Let's control click it, drag it over to this file, or not this file, but this view controller. Click modal. Alright, now let's link to this one. So let's zoom on in here, control click here, just pull it over, pull it drag. Ah, come on, keep moving, move over. Come on, move over. Oh, that is just so frustratingly slow. Okay, I guess it's down here somewhere. Move down, go faster. Seriously, it's over here. Come on. There you go. There it is. Alright, hold on. Now those are linked. So now all of these things are linked, and it should run when we click it. So let's run it. Shouldn't be any issues. There's no code, so there really shouldn't be any problems. Now we just wait for the simulator to load up. And as you can see, this required no programming whatsoever. It allows you to view, if you zoom out, to view all of your... Oh. Well, it looks like I ran it on my phone by accident. I want to run it in the simulator, not my phone. Forgot that it was plugged in. Sorry about that. Let's run it on this simulator. We can stop running it on my phone. Stop that. Alright, so here we go. You have your first page, the push me button. We push it, and it pulls up the second page. We push next, pulls up the third page, and we push next, and it brings us back to our first page. Alright? And that's how you use storyboarding. It's very simple. It's a great thing to use if you want to make a simple application and you don't use code. And that's that. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you later.